What's up, guys? Will H Tech Review back with another video, taking a look at an Invicta watch. So you guys know, if you follow my channel or you subscribe to my channel, once or twice a year I always showcase an Invicta watch. These are just watches that I like. I like the size of them, I like the way they look, I like the way they fit on my arm, and I especially like the price. They're inexpensive watches. Don't compare these to no other watch brand. I'm not a watch expert. These are just watches that I like, and I like to share the ones that I picked up. So if you follow my channel, you know I do this once or twice a year, and it's just fun for me. So I picked this up from Shop HQ. Here's the item number right here. I'll leave a link in the description if you want to pick this up. This was only $64.99. This is the Invicta 48mm Force Quartz day and date strap watch. Now this comes with a very unique 3-slot dive case that I'm going to show you guys. And I picked up the black and gold tone and black one. That is this one. I thought that was a very nice looking color scheme and with the strap and everything. So you got some other ones here. So this is the silver tone and white one. It looks like it has a white band with a silver face on it. And then the other one that they have in stock is the silver tone and black. So it has the black band like the one I picked up. And there's a couple other ones that are out of stock right there. So let's take a look at some of the details on this. So the watch details are movement type TMI VH64 quartz, multifunction, movement, country of origin, Japan, case size. This is a 48mm. Like I said, I like the watch, it's pretty big, so 48 is pretty big. Case thickness is 33mm. You got case material, stainless steel. The bezel is fixed. The crystal type is flame fusion. The dial is alloy. Crown type push-pull. Band type strap. Band material, leather. Band length, 8.5 inches. Band clasp is a buckle. And then it's water resistant up to 10 ATM, 100 meters, 330 feet. And it comes with a 3-slot dive case, like I said. This will be in the description. So let's take a look at the watch and the unique case. So the case is a character from a cartoon, and it's one of my grandson's favorite cartoons that he watched. I've even watched it with him, and this may be his first Invicta watch. I may just give this to him and the case and everything, but we're going to take a look at it and see. He's not into watches as of yet, but he may just want this one because of the character. So here is the case, and as you guys see, it's SpongeBob. So a limited edition SpongeBob dive case. And you see they got the characters on here. Here's SpongeBob, there's Patrick, there's Gary, there's Plankton, I forget her name, and some other ones. But those are the characters, and if he was here, he could tell you every one. But this is the dive case. As you see, it has a nice handle here. You have slots right here where you can put a lock on it and lock it. Some nice handles here. Very good cases that can protect your watches or whatever you want to put these in. Some people use them for other things besides watches. Got Invicta there. Nice yellow color. So let's get into the case and check out the watch, because it's not about the case, but I thought that was unique. So on the inside of this case, you got the foam padding, and then they have a seal here to keep water and stuff from getting in there. And then on the inside of it here, you got some of this poison for the trolls, as Flossie Carter would call it. You get your limited warranty instructions manual here, in case you need to look at that. Just a piece of paper there. I'm going to take the watch and set it over to the side. Finish looking at the case. So here's the case, as you guys see. So now you got a place to store 2 other watches plus the watch that you got. All foam padded. And like I said, I know people that have taken these and used them for different things, but they're designed for the watches. So let's go ahead and move this back out of the way and take a look at this watch. So sometimes when I order these watches, or you order anything, when you get it in hand, it doesn't look like it presented itself on video, on TV and magazines or whatever. But first initial thoughts on this is absolutely gorgeous, and it's exactly the way I pictured it when I saw it on their program. So here it is. The gold color is very subtle. It's not a blast you out type of gold color. Look like there's a film on here. Yeah, there's some type of film. Let me get that off. All right, there it is. So here's the watch. So let's go around it. So here's that band. This is a leather band. What attracted me really was the stitching here. That white stitching looks great. And this watch looks good for $64, man. It continues on around. And then you have the Invicta wording right there on the clasp. And that looks great. And then when we open it up, we have, it's telling you that it's genuine calf leather on the inside of it. And then you got Invicta there. And it just has that rugged leather look to it. I think it's going to be even better once it wear in. It's going to look better. So on the back of the watch, you got all of your specifications there, the model number, telling you about the water resistance, things of that nature. So that looks great. And this is a big watch. Now remember, this is a 48mm watch. So when you get to the face of it, as you guys see, that nice black face, you got the gold tone Invicta wording there. These numbers are called Arabic numbers. So you got the bold 12 and the bold 6, and they're in white, which goes right along excellent with the white stitching. That's what I really liked about it. Over here, you got the day of the week sub-dial, and you got the day of the week sub-dial right there. Your minute hand and your hour hand are white with the gold trim, and then you have your second hand. And you do have a little bit of information down here about the water resistance. And then you have some markers on the outside of the watch face as well. You have the Invicta embroidered, engraved in the side of it. A lot of people don't like this, but I think it adds a nice touch. And then here's your crown, and it does have a logo on it. It's 13mm thick, so it's not very thick. You got that flame fusion crystal. This looks dope to me. So I'm going to put it on my arm, come back and let you guys see what it looked like. All right, guys, so we're back in. Here it is on my wrist. I absolutely love the way this look on my wrist. And now you got to remember, this is a 48mm watch, so it's a big watch. So it's going to stand out a little bit. My wrist is a 7 1/4 inch, I think, or a little bit bigger. And you can see it takes up my whole wrist, but that's what I like. I like the big watches like this. And the black face with the band looks absolutely gorgeous. It's 13mm, so it's not sticking up too high. Now this watch would be one I wear out. We're going out to eat tonight, so I'll put on a nice casual outfit, and I would rock this watch along with that. And this is one, I mean, for the price, if you accidentally rub it up against something or bump something, you're not going to be too upset because it's only, the price is not that much. But I try and keep my watches, and even though they're inexpensive, I keep them in pristine condition. So this is the Invicta Force Quartz watch with the SpongeBob 3-slots dive case. I will drop the link in the description if you guys want to pick this up. We'll H Tech Review. I'm out.